Perfect. Perfect.
Hey friend, welcome back to my channel. Hope everybody's doing great. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did these cute passion twists on my daughter's hair using the rubber band method. This method is very beginner friendly, easy, and a cute protective style. So if you want to see how I did that, go ahead and keep on watching. So we're starting this style off with freshly washed hair. It's been washed and conditioned. Samaje, she is very tender-headed, so when I do her protective styles, I always blow dry her hair and stretch it out so that it helps with her tender-headedness. So this is just how I blow dry her hair. It's very easy method for someone who may be tender-headed. I'm using my body butter, which can also be used on the hair. It's packed with so many good rich oils and butters like mango butter, jojoba oil, and so many other good things that just coat the hair and really packs in that moisture. So now I'm just blow drying the hair. I stretch her hair out without using the comb, just basically apply some tension and let the heat stretch out that hair. This is a really easy method for people who are tender-headed. I do this with all my kids' hair. I stretch it out before I even start to do blow dry with the brush or the attachment on the blow dryer. It just makes it so much easier and less painful for them. If you're interested in purchasing the body butter, go ahead and visit www.theglowkeys.com. On there you'll find many body butters, but this particular one that I'm using on her hair is actually the sugar cookie, and it's just packed with so much goodness, you guys. So yeah, visit theglowkeys.com and check me out. And voila, just like magic, Samaje is ready and prepped for her style. It's really hair goals for me. Her 4C hair texture is so luscious and healthy and just everything. So now I'm just getting her ready and parted off so that I can do this rubber band bantu twist method. Yes, look at that. Luscious locks, honey. So like I said, I will be doing the rubber band method for this particular style today. So you just want to do a simple and easy parting base or parting method for the hair. I'm doing large patch and twist. So yeah, this is the parting method that I decided to go with. So you're just gonna apply the rubber bands to your parts or to your sections, whatever type of part you decide to do. I'm doing box parting. You can do triangles, you can do the circular ones. It really doesn't matter, it's just your preference. You're gonna apply your rubber band, and then once we do that, once we get all of the hair sectioned off and parted and rubber bands, we're going to go ahead and apply the hair, the passion twist hair, using a crochet needle. I'm applying that butter to the scalp, and look how it just melts in the scalp and just coats the scalp. I love it. It feels so amazing and it smells great. Go copy some, girl. I purchased this hair off of Amazon. It is an 18-inch passion twist, color T1B30. So it's a pretty brown with a light brown on the tips. I am pretty satisfied with this hair. I will leave the link down below to where I purchased this hair on Amazon. I took the hair by threes. So I took out 3 sections of the hair. You want to make sure that the hair is even at the ends. You don't want any long pieces or anything like that, so just make sure it's even. Then you're going to insert your crochet needle through the braid. Then you're going to attach the hair, close the needle, and pull it right on through the braid. You're not going to pull it all the way through. You're going to grab one side of the hair and pull one side through. Okay, pull one side through and then grab the other side and pull it so that it's even on both sides. See that? It's even at the ends. And since we did the rubber band method, I do a twist first, like kind of just open, and then separate the ponytail into 2 sections and connect it to the passion twist hair in each hand, and then you're just going to begin twisting. I do use a edge control on my fingers as I'm twisting, so that kind of just binds her hair with the passion twist hair. And you just want to start I'm just twisting down, and as I'm twisting, I kind of give the hair a little twist between each twist. That really just ensures that the passion twist is locked in, secure, and things like that. I know sometimes people have trouble with the passion twist slipping out or coming loose and things like that. I haven't really had too much trouble with that by doing that method. Just really using that edge control on my fingertips as I'm twisting really helps. So once again, I'm just checking to make sure it's even, and then I twist the hair and then begin twisting down. The reason why I do that first initial twist is because it really hides the rubber band, so that it gives that knotless look. You don't want to see the rubber bands. So I just continue on with this method throughout the style. It's really easy and self-explanatory once you get the hang of it. Like I said, this is very beginner friendly using the rubber band method. So I'm not gonna keep on yapping. Y'all just go ahead and continue to watch, and I'll come back later. came with the hair. You can add different type of jewels, seashells, and things like that. It really just makes the style pop. As I like to say, you guys, if you watch this video to the end, you are the real MVP. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a video. And if you found this content helpful, go ahead and smash that like button. Comment down below if you think this is a style that you would try. Like I said, it's super beginner friendly and easy. Also, don't forget to hit your girl up at theglowkeys.com for all my natural skincare products. Until next time, you guys, peace out.